Welcome to our tutorial on how to find notification settings on Discord. If you're using an Android device, follow along with these simple steps to customize your notification preferences. First, open the Discord app on your Android device. Then, tap on the U button located at the bottom of the screen. From there, you can either tap on the gear icon at the top right corner, or tap on U again to access your settings. Once you're in the settings menu, scroll down until you find the notifications option. Tap on it to open up the notification settings. Here, you can customize how you receive notifications, including mentions, direct messages, and server alerts. You can choose to receive notifications for all messages, only mentions, or turn them off completely. Additionally, you can customize notification sounds, vibration settings, and even enable push notifications. Don't forget to save your changes before exiting the settings menu. And that's how you can easily find and customize your notification settings on Discord. Thank you for watching, and happy chatting.